It looked like a ghost house. I remember that.
Yes.
Me and my man gonna do video call to show it about that a sheriff. Somebody get out of the house of the Chicago.
Yeah. They inside the.
Yeah.
They all inside the house.
Oh, the house in.
Yeah. Yeah. They still working. They said they're still working. But
It look like a ghost town.
that's the sheriff.
Babe, be careful there because maybe there's somebody people there hiding.
Oh yeah. They
Yeah.
they cleaning out the house. Oh, look, what's this? Oh, it's boarded up.
Oh, a lot of stuff there. So the
They're
guy is
still in
not
there,
there?
baby. Oh wow. They go to sheriff's. They go to their car.
Yeah?
But they're in the house. They still in the house.
You're not allowed to go inside there.
No, I can't go in there. No,
No, no.
no. I don't want to go in there. Dangerous for me.
Don't go inside there. I heard voice.
Oh, that's these guys.
Oh.